What's going on, y'all? Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, cleanpowerwash.com. So today I got to go on a field trip with my son and had to take a million phone calls, which is making me realize I definitely need to get an answering service so that I don't have to do that all day. And had that, obviously, it just interrupts all kinds of stuff going on throughout the day. On that same note, the guys did about $4,000 in work today. And one of the jobs was a gutter cleaning that we had to do. It's got a tall valley that's always full of pine needles. Ultimately, they did the job, didn't get the debris out of the valley, which is something that we always do. It's a good learning opportunity. So, sent to the guys the response from the customer, let the customer know that we'll be back tomorrow, and absolutely that it's, that I agree that it's unacceptable that was left there. So this situation is kind of a two-edged sword. One, especially early on, and right now most of our employees have been with us for about a month and a half, coming up on 2 months soon. So not a massive amount of time to really truly understand everything the way I like to do stuff. We'll talk about it more tomorrow, but I mean the whole, when in doubt, go ahead and do more than what the scope says. And also, when in doubt, call Rob or ask me. They knew I was away. It wasn't anything that I was going to be unavailable if there was something where we needed to chat or they had a question about it. This particular client, I believe I've cleaned the gutters in that area twice. There's definitely a process. It's definitely something that's more involved than just the usual knock stuff out, because it's about a 25 to 30 foot section of pine needles in this valley that has to get removed. And in talking with one of the techs, I gave him 4 different ways that he could get the job done. Which it's something where, again, if they're unsure, they reach out to me. I explain, okay, here's how we deal with XYZ problem. Because otherwise, the techs that were there weren't sure what to do and opted not to do anything. Said if they weren't sure what to do, then just ask me. And I'd give them the answer that then it's on me. It's not a miscommunication between them and the customer. It's me and the customer. So, obviously, as your staff, grows, they shouldn't be calling you every 5 seconds about stuff that's, that's obvious. And if that's the situation, then you start having that conversation of, you need to, I trust you to make the right choice. You know what you're doing, do it. And then, if something is wrong, then we'll deal with it. I try to not be heavy-handed on a lot of stuff. I get frustrated easily on some things, but ultimately I want them to be comfortable making the call that they need to, and reaching out to me. So make sure you're doing that with your crews, or as you hire people, that you let them understand that, that mentality, that it's not just I expect you to figure out everything and anything on your own, never bother me. No, let's figure it out. Let's get it done. Have a great day. See ya.